Visualizing the effect of m, the slope, and b, the y-intercept on a graph. B is the y-intercept, which has the order pair 0 and some value. That value we're going to call b. It could be 0, 5. All we know, though, if a line is going to pass through the y-axis at some particular point, the x-coordinate is 0. Here's my line. Now, as b changes, what happens to my line? Well, b is kind of like the anchor. It's going to anchor my line on the y-axis. So if I move this anchor, I change b, my line floats up and down. So b, as it changes, for instance, a b in this case would be -3. If I move it to a b value of 2, let me grab my line, it's going to shift it vertically. So when b changes, the line shifts up and down. Now m is the slope. It's the average rate of change. It has a formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which just is change in y over change in x, which we can count as rise over run. All of those will find slope. Now, what happens as I change m? Again, we'll look at a graph. If 1 is my anchor and my slope is 2, or 2 over 1, rise 2, run 1. From that anchor, I have a fairly steep slope. What happens if I change and make my slope equal to 1/2? I'll graph this line in blue. From the same anchor, rise 1, run 2. Notice how the steepness or the slant of the line changes. So as I change m, I change the steepness of the line.